the forces of evil have definitely all conglomerated and tried to stop the stream today, but I think we're victorious. It might be a little bit limited because I'm on the phone, but also we can see if this actually works. So, yeah, have to have the Cox people come out and look at the. I think the internet router died. This works sideways. I wonder. Can I be sideways? Oh, it's a little better. Okay, so here we are, everybody. We are. Oh, that was wrong. Little logo up there, but that's okay. We'll be all right. Usually, it should say Bitcoin Daily View. But anyways, we are here. We made it. We were not stifled.
Yeah.
So how is I'll use this one here. That'll change.
Well, the market's kind of waiting for New York Open. It's pushing at the last high on the 1 minute, which was about 520. Got about a minute.
Yeah, feel free to. I'll get my finger out of the way. Feel free to share. I'll see how it looks here on this screen. Yeah, and sorry everybody, I am on.
All right. Okay, now we got a little push. The price is right at a fairly important level, which is, I don't want to miss this either. It's right at yesterday's low. There it goes.
All right, we're gonna see a bounce. Let's see, or a dump.
Just kind of watching it here. It's kind of tough to get a read on what it's going to do.
Yeah, so we're just now opening, I think, right?
Yeah, 1 minute ago. A little over a minute.
Now we're seeing it. Yeah, so it's there on the is that the sorry, everything is a little small for me. Is that the 75 that it's on? The 75 moving average. I see it's on a moving average, I think.
Just waiting for it to do something here. But they're really trying to sell into this. Yeah, the 75 moving average is the red line above.
Oh, okay, so we're below the 75.
Yeah, on the 2 minute. On the 30 minute, it shows that, I mean, it could go either way. The other indicators are kind of getting low on the 30 minute, stochastic and squeeze.
It looks like we're, yeah, kind of in a holding pattern, waiting. Mm. Well, it is neat that you can actually StreamYard on the phone. It's kind of cool to know that it actually works. Yeah, so market opened. No immediate big move, it looks like.
Yeah, it's moving.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I just scalped it for 350.
Woo, that's awesome.
It's kind of jumping up and down a bit. I'll see if I can catch another long on it.
Hope this part of the show today. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, I wonder if I can. I wonder if it will. I wonder if I go to. I wonder if I'll mess up the stream here if I try to go to Trading View so I can see. Oh, alright. I don't have the Trading View app anymore. Well, anyhow, sorry it's not too eventful. I can't be much help today. I can't, but it's neat to know that this actually works. If I, ever wanted to stream on a phone, it does work. Although when you're sharing, when I'm looking at the screen, when you share, yeah, it's kind of like looking at a stamp.
Yeah.
Can't really see much. Well, the guys should be out tomorrow afternoon to fix the internet. I think it's either I don't know what's going on. I'm not sure if Cox has just messed up upstream, could be, or if the cable modem, the DOCSIS router, I guess as they call it, or if it's dead. I mean, we have Wi-Fi. I can log in. I can ping it. So everything's logged into the Wi-Fi, and I can ping the Wi-Fi router. I can ping it, and I can log into it, and it thinks okay actually, but it sees its WAN okay, but yeah, we can't get to it. So I'm like, either I don't know. So yeah, I'm wondering if just upstream it's just something's broken. Maybe they'll figure it out. I don't know. Oh well, it's kind of how it is when you're. If I don't get it fixed tomorrow morning, what I'll do is I'll just tether through my phone through my laptop, and then at least I can kind of see what's going on. That's a little better. Don't think I can quite tether through my my big computer, but at least the laptop I can. So, the show will go on.
Yeah, see,
Well,
I've got a cable coming in, which is the actual cable internet that's hooked up to the back of my computer. And then I have a router, that they gave me for the, Xfinity or whatever it is. So I can literally I can go down to on my PC, I can click on internet access icon on the taskbar, and I can say, connect the Wi-Fi.
mm,
And it says Wi-Fi is available. I can tell it to use the 5 gigahertz one, and I just put in the password, and there it is.
boom.
I've got backup power. So if my cable connection fails, then I have 5 gigahertz internet.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess redundancy is worth it.
Yeah, it really is. So if you look at the 5-minute candles, it kind of looks like this thing is just going to go down, possibly.
Share your screen.
I thought I was. I did it
You
twice.
you were, but it just went away.
Okay.
Maybe we'll do a short one today, just so, since I don't know, it's good to get on and see what's going on, but just the show must go on. Will not be defeated.
Can you see it now?
You know what? Just let me actually hop on here. Let me do this. I think what you did is you 1 sec. I'll get it on there. I think I see what I got to do here. Guest. Add to stage. There we go. Now we're back in business.
Dakota just took out a short.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm not sure if that was even a good choice, because I think it could be starting to rally here.
Whoa.
But who knows? He might be right. It's right at that. I had painted an area on my chart. You can see the white line. This was because of some confluence in this area from August 15th. And that's where I thought the price would go yesterday, which was 460s. And now it has broke it, and it's breaking below. So he actually made a good choice in going short there.
Dakota, you said?
Yeah. Rips and Dakota are on Top Step TV right now.
Oh, okay, Dakota. Okay.
And I've got the sound turned off because they're all going to be interrupting each other. So it's a bit much.
That's actually not a bad idea. Actually, I trading with Rips and Dakota, and Robert, you just can't go wrong. You got like the 3 biggest pros right there.
Yeah, the share wants to go up here.
After a dump like that, I mean, there's no top or bottom. It could continue heading down, but from what I can see, it looks like those indicators want to roll over. And that's the 2-minute?
Yeah, this is 1 minute here. Look at
Okay,
this.
1 minute. Now you got some action. Yeah, those indicators look just right. It's below the important moving averages, but it is the 1 minute after all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you look at 2 minute, it didn't make it to the 75. The 1 minute just barely got above the 75 and just pulled a reversal. Like 2 or 3 minutes after New York opened.
Let me know if my video goes away when I do this. I'm gonna I should still be there, but if I'm not,
Yeah, it went away.
Okay, can you hear me?
I can hear you fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. All right, good. So I'm just gonna check. I'm gonna look in the App Store here, since this is since that's what we're doing today. We're on the iPhone, which is remarkable that this all works. Just doesn't. The one downside is, like I say, you can't. If you're looking at something like a chart, it's I can just see it, but it's not too easy. I'm gonna actually check and see if Top Step X has an app, and I don't see one.
I don't think they do for phone. But I was going to let you know that for anyone using Top Step X, as of Sunday, they got rid of the automatically imposed DLL.
Yeah.
For accounts created, I think, after the 25th, or if they're created before the 25th, then you still got that on there. But with newer combines and XFAs and all that, you have to put in your own personal daily loss limit.
I noticed an announcement about that. Yeah. I also like that in Top Step you can set a stop loss, like an instant, like default one. So you can say like my stop loss is always 200, my stop loss is always 500. So if you get in a trade, you're going to instantly have a stop loss of whatever you set it for your default. And I kind of like that. And of course, oftentimes end up changing it, but at the same time, I know that if I click into a trade, that I'm good, just in case it plummets. Quicker than I can react. So I like that. It's kind of I like that feature. That actually is doing me pretty good. Wow, it's trying to do something. Looks like we're gonna. I'm glad you
trying
guys
to do something, and they're
yeah,
still hard and heavy into this market.
Yeah, I can't see the. Of course, the order book. I guess you're seeing shorts still piling up in there.
Yep.
Looks like they're winning. Yep, there they go. Woo! This morning this morning is vicious. Anderson Cooper, Vanderbilt, he must be trading this morning.
Yeah, the Rockefellers, the Vanderbilts, and
yeah, it's
Morgan.
like I think Tuesday is their day that they that they all trade. They have a StreamYard going as well.
Yeah, they probably do, only for the elite.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wow. Well, I'm glad we got on this morning, and it's good to see the phone can actually do it. Well, the phone's got plenty of bandwidth, so what I'm going to do tomorrow is if the internet isn't fixed, if it just happens to miraculously start working, which I think might happen, so I think the problem is actually upstream. It's not here. But I will just, like I said, I'm going to tether my phone to the laptop, and then I'll be able to see and do stuff. And on a cool note, Bookmap actually works on my laptop, where it doesn't work on the my Linux machine. It could work, but it's a pain. So, anyways, let's cut this one short, just because I'm, this one is a little janky, but it did prove that we can do it on a phone, and it's kind of a big win. The show must go on. But let's just hop on again tomorrow, and I'll be I'll be better equipped. But
Okay.
it looks like today it's patience, and I'll report back to everybody. I'm gonna log into Top Step X on my phone today, and just see like how possible it is to actually trade on a phone during the day. I'll use my practice account and just see can it be done? I've never really tried, but I think I need to. So I'm gonna see if it's possible.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. I know that my friend had been trading on his phone while he was doing his regular job, and he's able to make it work.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it work too. So I'll let everybody know. My phone's a little old, but as long as it's crisp enough and it should be just to run the chart. that would be awesome because I could just kind of watch it during the day. And since I'm somewhat distracted, and since it does set that auto stop loss, I could just wait for like those really, really good sweet spots. Just let it sit over there. I have a spot I can have it under my monitor where I'm working, and I can just kind of watch it, and I can like dink get in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because gotta keep working towards the working towards the dream, the ultimate outcome. Well, sorry to cut it short. Take care, Robert, and tomorrow, we'll show the universe we mean business again, and
All
get
right.
online no matter what. Even if I'm tethering through an iPhone, my laptop, it's going to happen. So, talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, sounds great, Craig.
And that is a W pattern, if you note. It looks like it. Kind of a W pattern for the win. Let's see if it plays out. I'll be watching. Take care.
All right. Take
Bye.
care. Bye.